Hey guys, in this video I'll talk about SEO and what exactly is SEO and how you can actually use it to rank higher on the search results. Now, SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization, and it means ranking higher in the search on YouTube. And it can also mean ranking higher in Google search, also mean ranking higher in Bing search or any other search engine out there. We're just going to talk about YouTube here because that's mostly we talk about on this channel. Is going to be YouTube. Now, if you're making music and if you're posting instrumentals, you want to be in the top 10 search results of your long tail keyword. So let's say your keyword says acoustic guitar melodic trap beat. Okay, let's just say that that's a long keyword, but if you rank in the top 5 search results, you're definitely gonna get a lot of views. Even though it's like a long tail keyword, you're still gonna get a amount of views. And the best part about the ranking in search is gonna be the active viewership. Now, what exactly is active viewership? Active viewership is just searching. Some artist searches for your beat and then just like listens to it perfectly. So active listening, active viewership is much more important when it comes to selling products, and it's much more important when it comes to converting an artist into a buyer. Passive viewership, passive listening, that's not gonna help. That's not gonna help you, right? It can help someone who's like running a lo-fi channel, right? Because lo-fi beats, you actually just like put it on in the background. See, I'm running a lo-fi channel. I have lo-fi channels. I post beats every single day on lo-fi channels. But here's the thing. I should never go for the search because I don't have to go for the search. I just target the ones that are the suggested ones. So suggested ones are the ones that are passive listeners. They're the passive. They're not going to be searching for you. They're just going to get in on the homepage, and when they click on your video, they're going to be listening to it, and they're going to see like, okay, this is a lo-fi beat right there, and they'll just add it to your playlist, whatever. Keep listening, and then giving you that ad revenue. That's how you actually earn the revenue in that way. But you have to kind of post beats every single day on the lo-fi channels. And I've actually done the whole kind of posting beats every single day. You can't do that alone all by yourself. So you kind of need some other people's help. So I have a free ebook in the description if you want to check it out. So back to the topic here. You want to go, if you're making like beats that are going to be that you want to lease, make sure other people lease it or buy it or buy the exclusive. You want to go for the search results. You want to go for the ranking. So can you do it yourself? I don't think you can do it yourself. You kind of have to pay like vidIQ subscriptions, and you kind of have to like pay other people to to like do it in a better way. So I feel like it's much more better if you just like pay other people, because I've done it myself and I've gotten good views, good results from this. The only thing is that you should only pay to those who are like giving you the 100% refund guarantee. So let's say your video doesn't rank. Let's say your beat video doesn't rank. You wanna give it to you don't want to pay for someone like who claims that your video is gonna rank, but then video doesn't rank. So you want to buy a gig on Fiverr that's going to be 100% refund. That's going to give you 100% refund if it fails to rank. So I've gotten some links in the description of a gig that actually does that, and you can go ahead and check that out. And they're going to help you with the SEO and help you rank your beats on the YouTube search engine search results. Now, can you do it yourself? Of course you can do it yourself. Yeah, you can use a thing called vidIQ. You can go ahead and log in to vidIQ panel, and you can start to see some of the tags in there, or you can actually start to just search on YouTube. Go ahead and search on YouTube and say, yo, this is gonna be this is my competition right there. So let's say you're making a trap beat, someone else making a trap beat getting a lot of views. Then you can just go ahead and install a program called vidIQ, and then just look at their tags and look at their description, how they're putting it out, and then you can just go ahead and copy that. But it's not as effective, definitely not effective at all. You kind of need to buy the pro version of the vidIQ, which is which, like, why would you even do that if you can just actually pay someone else to do it? So I think it's much better to, you know, pay other people to get your videos ranked. If the videos don't rank, you still have like 100% refund guarantee, so you're not gonna lose any money with that, you know, guarantee. So that's just all I wanted to say in this video. And you can do it yourself, of course, and you can hire other people if you want to hire other people. I got some gigs in the description. You can go ahead and check them out. And the gigs in the description says that they're going to give you 100% refund if your videos fail to rank in a long-term keyword, long tail keyword. And you can actually check it out, and you can buy it if you want. But with that being said, guys, this is going to be it for this one. And if you enjoyed, please hit the thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon, because I'll be posting more videos. And anything else you want to let me know in the comments, go ahead and let me know, and let's just have a discussion over there. And I'll see you next time. Take care, guys.